I'm Massoud Zolgharni, Professor of Computer Vision at the School of Computing and Engineering, University of West London. So echocardiography, or echo, is the most commonly imaging modality used for assessing someone's heart function. It is safe, it is cheap, but also notorious for its inherent poor quality of the images. And that sometimes makes the clinical measurements made from the images unreliable. So you can imagine two doctors making measurements on the same image from the same patient. They may disagree with each other. So the idea of Unity project is to harness the power of AI to automate the process of making clinical measurements.
We are doing our project in 3 different phases, creating one of the largest, most diverse open access AI-targeted biobanks, including not only cardiac images, but also expert annotations, which are essential for AI developments. Once we've built the model, in the second phase, we use it to build our AI systems, customized for different clinical measurements. And finally, we will conduct the pilot clinical study to assess the performance of our systems.
What my task is all about, we have echocardiographic images that we get from the ultrasound machines from our clinical partners. I try and process the quality of these images. So I'm working on a model which will basically be able to predict the quality of the images and prompt to the operators while they are capturing the images whether these images are good enough to be used for any kind of clinical assessment.
With the Unity project, hopefully we will bring AI one step closer to being integrated into clinical practice, and the potential impact is huge. First, that would make the cardiac imaging more accessible as such an automated AI-powered technology. Even less experienced doctor can use such technology to assess their patient's heart. Also, it would streamline the workflow in the clinical settings, for example, NHS hospitals, and that would reduce the cost. Finally, perhaps the most important one is improving the reliability of the clinical measurements using this automated technology. That would help the clinicians in their decision-making for diagnosis and prognosis, and that would improve patient outcomes and the society as a whole.